Hi, my name is Amy from Korean Things.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Today we will introduce one expression that can tell a reason for something. The most simple way to say because in Korean is 때문에. But it sounds somewhat official and it sounds like a dictionary. But we can also say 서 or 가지고 in order to speak because. But these two sounds more casual and natural than the previous one. And these two expressions are used with various adjectives and verbs, but we don't show any tense markers here. First of all, let's see one example sentence to change into Korean. So first sentence we'll look at is I didn't buy onions because I bought yesterday. As you can see here, this sentence is composed of the cause and the effects. Then let's translate the effect part first. Cool. So I is
나는
didn't buy is
안 샀어.
onions is
양파를
When we reword the Korean words, it becomes like 나는 양파를 안 샀다 or 나는 양파를 안 샀어. When you try to translate the reasoning part starting with because, you should just remind of today's two expressions, 서 or 가지고. Then just consider you attach 서 or 가지고 to the verb, and here we don't use any past tense markers when we try to use 서 or 가지고 in order to say the reasoning. This is the reason I bought onions yesterday. So let's change one by one. I is 나는, bought is 샀다. Onions is 양파를. Yesterday is
어제.
And let's change the order. So when you try to change this reasoning part with because, what we have to do first is we have to get rid of the past marker 쌍시옷 from 삿. Instead, we have to use its basic form 사다. Then we drop 다 ending and use 서 and then put it right after the verb stem 사. So because I bought onions yesterday is
나는 어제 양파를 사서.
Then let's combine the cause and the effect part all together in one sentence. So let's change I didn't buy onions today because I bought onions yesterday.
나는 어제 양파를 사서 오늘은 양파를 안 샀어. 나는 어제 양파를 사서 오늘은 양파를 안 샀어. 나는 어제 양파를 사서 오늘은 양파를 안 샀어.
The one important point you should keep in mind is that we cannot move the reasoning part using 서 or 가지고 to the very end of the sentence. If the sentence ends with 서 or 가지고, many Koreans would think that sentence hasn't completed yet. So please keep the reasoning parts with 서 or 가지고 in the beginning of the sentence. You can also use 가지고 instead of 서. You can take off 서 part away and then add 가지고 right after the verb stem of 사다. So it becomes
나는 어제 양파를 사가지고 오늘 양파를 안 샀어.
When you use 가지고 instead of 서, it sounds more colloquial than 서. And one more thing to remember is that when you try to express the reasoning with 가지고, then sometimes we need one more particle or 아. If the last syllable of the verb stem has an ending consonant, and if the ending consonant has an vowel sound 아 or 오, then we use 아 가지고. But if the last syllable of the ending consonant has a vowel sound other than 아 or 어, we say 어 가지고. Then let's conjugate more verbs and adjectives.
When the ending consonant is 비읍, 비읍 disappears when we attach 서 or 가지고. Instead, the vowel sound 우 is combined with the particle 아 or 어. 우 plus 어서 is 워서. 우 plus 어 가지고 is 워 가지고. 우 plus 아서 is 와서. 우 플러스 아 가지고 is 와 가지고.
Because it was cold.
춥다. 추워서. 추워 가지고.
Because it was hot.
덥다. 더워서. 더워 가지고.
Because it was spicy.
맵다. 매워서. 매워 가지고.
Because I helped.
돕다. 도와서. 도와 가지고.
Because it was pretty.
곱다. 고와서. 고와 가지고. When the verb or adjective stem ends with li, li is combined with the particle a and changes into 려.
Because I was sleepy.
졸리다. 졸려서. 졸려 가지고.
Because something was stuck.
걸리다. 걸려서. 걸려 가지고.
Because I threw it away.
버리다. 버려서. 버려 가지고.
Because I was confused.
헷갈리다. 헷갈려서. 헷갈려 가지고.
Because I slept.
내가 자가지고.
Because I went.
내가 가가지고.
Because I was sleepy.
내가 졸려가지고.
Because I was cold.
내가 추워가지고.
Because I ate.
내가 먹어가지고.
Because I couldn't find.
내가 못 찾아가지고.
Because I was small.
내가 작아가지고.
Because I tied.
내가 묶어가지고.
여기가 가로등이 진짜 하나도 없어가지고 해 다 떨어지면은 큰일 날 수도 있어. 여기가 가로등이 진짜 하나도 없어가지고 해 다 떨어지면은 큰일 날 수도 있어. 여기가 가로등이 진짜 하나도 없어가지고 해 다 떨어지면은 큰일 날 수도 있어. 여기가 가로등이 진짜 하나도 없어가지고 해 다 떨어지면은 큰일 날 수도 있어.
냄비가 작아가지고 많이는 못 찌고 냄비가 작아가지고 많이는 못 찌고 냄비가 작아가지고 많이는 못 찌고 냄비가 작아가지고 많이는 못 찌고
날씨가 너무 더워가지고 시원한 아이스크림이 먹고 싶다.
아, 그래? 그런데 쌤, 이빨 썩어가지고 단 거 먹으면 안 돼.
그래도 먹고 싶다. 조명이 너무 밝아가지고 칠판에 있는 글씨가 잘 안 보여.
그래? 그러면 저기 앉아.
그런데 난 키가 작아가지고 거기서는 더 잘 안 보여.